One of the things that I appreciate so much about this framework is its breadth and its depth, meaning you cannot get away with skipping any of these elements. They are interconnected, and a lot of what we're learning in this class is around working with complex adaptive systems. Everything connects to everything else. And so I really appreciate the fact that, you cannot figure out the shared priority in the enabling environment and just skip over the pipeline, or focus on the pipeline and skip over the politics sometimes, at least being aware of what's around you. So the comprehensiveness of it, but it's simple. It's still just 3 items. So I appreciate that. So I would love to offer you a chance to give any final lessons learned or closing thoughts about the framework and its use.
Sure. So one of the things that we've been learning about this is that a linear approach where you do this and then you do that and you don't loop back ever is not the way this needs to work. We really have come to appreciate the value of emergence in this work and the interconnectedness. You learn about what your shared priority can be and you refine it as you do deals. And so not only do the deals contribute to the achievement of the shared priority, they contribute to your thinking about what the shared priority needs to be. And so we really encourage people to not wait to start until they have it perfect, because it's never going to be perfect. And there's so much learning in the doing that if people can kind of live with the discomfort of that, it really does help them a great deal. And there are so many opportunities along the way, to feed learning back into the system and make the system richer and more functional. And there's such a low baseline in so many places that, all of these incremental improvements really do matter. So I think that's an important lesson. So for all the ACE students out there, the learning by doing aspect of capital absorption is really important.
I think that's, there's a slogan, I have a quote on my website that I got from Myron Kellner Rogers, and it says, start anywhere, follow it everywhere. Right?
Yeah, we have the same one.
Right, so that idea of we in the world of complexity, you cannot plan your way out into a solution. You have to do rapid prototyping. You have to try things out, and you have to bring the feedback loop in and redirect. And so that feeling of wanting to get it right, I know it's hard to let go of that. This is not about getting it right. This is about trying it, fast feedback loops, making things visible, and being in right relationship. So Robin, I so appreciate you laying this out for us. It's an incredible gift to the journey that we're all on in designing community-based investment approaches, and really grateful for your partnership.
My pleasure, and I wish all of you success in taking the first step on the path and continuing on the journey. Thank you.
Thank you.